Let's get a mic check. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I wonder if my car clock is wrong. Did it take me 2 minutes to walk in here? Morning, everyone. Good, good, good. Where is Eric? Is he on vacation? I hope so, because doesn't he live in like Wisconsin or something like that? They got this thing banging over here. All right. Okay. First thing I want to do is I want to take a look at the larger time frame to see if I am outside narrow range. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Because here's the narrowest range right here. Okay, we're outside narrow range based on this indicator that Chris made us. Chris Lewis was the one that made that, if anyone was wondering. And I do believe you could just get it on Trading View. I think you just type in narrow range indicator. All right, now we got this fair value gap here, which it's a hidden one, okay, and I'm glad this thing's pointing it out. But if you look, there's a real gap, and we're filling that gap. And so we have it marked out on the 15-minute, I believe. Yeah, I mean, not only here, okay, but here. This was the opening bar. Look, we've came straight through it, tested it. This is the 4-hour chart. We've tested it, and we've pushed straight back in. So now what, right? We got this inverted fair value gap here. Okay, so, all right, what are we looking for? Well, Martin, you're here. Okay, here it is, Martin. Ready? Do you see that? Okay, now look at the tails. Okay, look at the body. See how it doesn't close? I mean, it closes one tick, but then it opens and doesn't close again in there. Now look at it. Mr. Martin. Martin John. So it's just order block indicator and the fair value gap indicator. Now, I would have caught it, right? But because this is your breaker block, right? I just have that on there so we can read what it is. So it's a. Are you seeing this? Okay, now, so remember this, what it looks like. Go to the 15-minute. Okay, look, it's even better. So every time it closes, look, it's like, look, and then you have the meridian, right? Boom. Boom. And we were in it. We are in it. This is beautiful, right? So and then on the 2-minute, we just kept entering and entering. All right, so that's the kind of thing that we're looking for is larger time frame, right? Larger time frame structure, right? So if we go back to the beginning, we're not in position 1 right now. We are not in position 1. And good morning, Island. We are not in position 1. Look, 200 is down here, 20 is here, but our 8 and price are below ski. Whoa-ski doskies. So are they going to push momentum before, obviously mathematically? Actually, Dad, technically, Dad, technically, momentum would mathematically, Dad, right? That's what my son would say. Technically, Dad, it's math. And then he would say, it's science, Dad, right? So what do they do with this little entanglement going on up in this business here, right? So what are we looking for? Well, here's the easiest way to mark this out, right? Just get yourself a rectangular device. Okay, grab yourself your own. Okay, 45 to 60. 45 to 60. 45 to 60. Now, what's the other number? The midline. Okay, 45 to 60 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 7.5 from 60 is 52.5. We're at 55.5. Okay, so we're watching. All right, now, here's where all of this gets really, really fun. Okay, not only do we got a blue back into position 1 on the deuce. All right, all right, all right. What we also have is we've got some magic on the 5-8 though. Okay, now here's where all of this kind of comes together, right? So here's what's going to happen. Let me show you what's about to happen. See this? See this line break where everybody thinks that they're out of the clear? Well, let's see. Let's see if they're actually out of the clear. Yeah. So if it breaks this, you don't want I'm not so sure you want to be long, right? Because if we're looking at just if they're filling through the liquidity, right? They've done their job. And so the thesis would be, I expect a higher push. So not mine, the thesis for the longs. And so does it get violated down here, and does the auction shift? Okay, the delta is divergent. They've been selling on the way up. So now this gives us another clue to say, hey, just relax a minute here, right? Martin, does that make sense? On the 5-minute? That's why it's struggling. It's like, whoa, hold on, these guys are selling. Hold on, every time it gets to a higher price, they're leaning into the bid on a higher price. That's what this tells you right here. Look. This CVD is absolutely valuable if you are looking at the tape, volume, order flow, anything in that manner. This is net order flow. Let's just put it that way, right? Cumulative volume delta. It's net order flow. Okay, we don't got to be a cool guy and have some fancy name for it, right? I was going to say something on YouTube you can't say. Yeah, I don't think you can say that on YouTube. Oh, yes, let's roll. It's feeling spicy today. All right. So, okay. So what are we looking for? Well, let's find out. Now, one thing I did, and here's something you guys can do, because I'm going to share this with you. Just make one 15-minute for Mancini's. Okay, and then just have another tab if your computer can handle the resources. Just have another tab that just has a little bit of stuff on it. No drawing. No drawing. If you draw it, erase it. All right. So the first thing that we need to see is, all right, if we go to auction market theory, right? Oh, okay. I can do it, right? All right. So those of you that use Ninja, hit Control 3, okay, and draw from the bottom to the top. Okay. So all right. So now we have auction market theory here, right? So the auction went lower, tested higher. Okay, found value around 5 deuce. Okay, which is in the unicorn. All right. So now, do you see how it rallies, bases? Okay, and then see how this base is right on this. Okay. So now, what do they have to do? If we're going to go with this theory, what do they have to do? Come down to here, okay, or make a new one. Come down to here or make a new one. They already came down to here. And so then what if they just come down to here, but what if they break it? Well, then you're watching them reverse this you're watching them reverse this whole auction. I'm not saying it's going to, right? Because they could keep rallying. All right, does that help? You can make this eternal, or this one. Oh, I made it to where it locks. Okay. So you can drag this to be current, right? So you can have it in real time. Isn't that pretty cool? That's Control 3 if you have the order flow package. Okay, and so this is auction market theory, right? Rally, base, rally, base, rally, base, rally. Okay, new price, base, rally. What do they do, right? But the thought is, after they base, they have to sweep. Okay, and they have to draw, right? It could be a grab or a sweep. I don't care which, but they have to reload. This was a dinger yesterday. I called it too. Right as I'm calling 90, I'm typing 90 in. It goes to 90 from here. Whatever that was, 55, 60, 70, 80, whatever it was. All right, we're at the session highs just under the 60s. This is the 15-minute. It's bullish. Yeah, Martin, you see it? This is the 15-minute, right? So then 15, let's go 5, Martin. That's the wrong screen, Rev. Let's look at the 5. Okay, see it, Martin? When they're equidistant, though, Martin, want to turn them up. Right, so now it says no shorting, or you're going to get punched right in the balls, even if you don't have balls. Or, yeah, I'm going to stand by that statement. So both, so and they're in the right alignment, right? So the alignment is price, VWAP, 200, not 200 above the VWAP. Okay, go back and look at the last 2 or 3 years on the 5-minute chart. If you're not right now, right, because most people's computers can't handle that. Okay, but what I do, let me show you guys. Okay, I create. Look at this. You go like this: workspace, new workspace, and you create a testing environment where there's one chart on it, right? And then you can do whatever you want. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you kill this, okay, and then you close. Okay, or you can hit no, you can hit yes. I don't need it, right? Okay, and then this opens back up. So now, the only thing I have open is just this one right here, right? Now, when I turn the Extreme on, I'll open the other workspace. Does that make sense? See, now I also have volume profile. Okay, but wow, my screen's dirty. Okay, but what I'm realizing is it takes so much resource while I'm trading that if I'm not looking at it, I close it. Bullish. So where would we go? Here, look at this. Right here. What did I just drop? Nothing. Bullish. So 62 to 90. All right, so now what I'm going to do is instead of closing the chart, I'm going to find the right window, and I'm going to close the whole workspace. Remove. That would not be good. All right. The things you learn. Wow, there's the move for you. All right, so now you see you can't short because of what I just explained. Oh, we're open. Good. We're open. Let's roll. We can't go short because of what I just explained. So what we're waiting for is you just watch this 2-minute blue, and those are the targets. Oops. Okay, and now what we're waiting for is something with a smaller stop. That's a 14-point stop. 7 to, yeah, that's a 14-point stop. All right, everybody, it's time to lock in. It's time. Wait. I like to use Elijah's new emoji first. Let me get full screen here. Hold on. Hold. All right, everybody, I don't think we've done this in a couple days. Let's go ahead and raise our glasses. Let's go ahead and raise our mugs. Let's go ahead and raise our canes. All right. We're going to go ahead and put them in the air. Okay, today it's going to be a cheers. We're going to salute to patience. Patience is part of the process. Process over profits. Okay, patience in the trade, patience out of the trade. Okay, patience in the trade, patience out of the trade. Let's get ready to rumble. It's going to be a cheers, everybody. Let's roll. And I've already taken a walk, so as of right this second, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm not okay with not being in this trade. Oh, I wish I were in the stupid trade. That is what I truly like to be. But if I can't be in this trade for me, I hope that my team. Wow, the NQ got smoked. Whoa, 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 fam, yo, 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 broskies, homies, ladies, gentlemen, lock in. Holy sheep. Okay. That has to recover. Look at the people that just got smoked right there. Look. They got them by the short and curlies. Watch for the reversal on the ES. Watch for some SMT type duty. Or because we know that guy's a fool. Also, Casper, whatever his name is. Okay, watch for it to go. Because my system better. My system better. You have 5 minutes, so you stay long. Oh. Decision. The 5 and the 2 look a little different there. Did I hesitate too long? Did I miss it? Did we just become best friends? All right, I'm gonna lock in. Cheers, everybody. All right, you can hit the like button, subscribe, turn notification bells on. This is real trading. I am trading prop firm money, whatever they call this, which we're going to turn into prop firm money here real shortly because we're kicking some ace. All right, your NQ is dripping. Your NQ is dripping.
Order filled.
A little bit of profit there, a little bit of profit, just a little bit on some momos. I probably closed it too early. That's okay. Another Quailo. Should be back in the more. All right, so what account are you guys watching on this screen? 8. Okay, I just traded it in 9. I need another DOM, Eli. That's why I want another screen, but I think there's not enough neck room. All right, you got a buyer at 53.50. You got a buyer at 53.50s. Let's see what he does. Let's see if he wins. I want to see a big buyer or seller. Yeah, these things are on. I just pulled a Joey. These headphones aren't even on. Pops, you get so much senior email junk. All right, they're really starting to purchase here.
Order submitted.
Oh my God, they didn't fill me. Oh my God, they didn't fill me.
Order canceled.
Yeah, dirty rats. I'll wait till Claritin comes in. Show me Claritin. Oh man, I tried to buy 54 and they said, hey, oh, you? Nah, you can't play in this game, Rudolph. Damn it. But remember that I just want to remind everyone that the candles create the tape in the world of ICT. In the real world, no. Let me tell you what controls the tape. See this right here? That controls the tape. That's why I just tried to bid 54. Look at that. Okay, so completely destroying the narrative very, very quickly. Mucho, 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 mucho. Mucho, mucho ándale. And you can see it as a big bubble right here. He bought them all. Now remember, he's not just buying 357 contracts or whatever it is. Okay, they're probably purchasing $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion basket worth of stuff. Derivatives, liquidity, things that are less liquid, whatever. It doesn't matter. Look at him. Look at this. Oh, my sweet baby Jesus. Oh, this hurts. Okay, 63.25 on your 5-minute blue. 63.25 on your 5-minute blue. Yep, it doesn't have to. And that's what made it so powerful, right? When that buyer stepped in, because he bought thousands of contracts. Look, that prevented the free fall. And actually, he was so Robert. Think of the weak players trying to trade with the NQ. Okay, right? And the other guy going, there's my huckleberry. Think about that. And that is what you're seeing right here. That's why I tried to bid 54, not offer. There's your lesson for the day, my friend. Let's roll. Let's roll, right? Because he could have sold that many contracts too. The aggressive side could have been to the sell as well. Let me say that a different way. Good trading, everybody. I'm green, so I'm not in a super big hurry to trade. But I am, I'm going to crush souls and make everybody wish they didn't trade against me. I know that. Yeah, on the way down, a quick scalpy scalp for me there. Yeah. In Q, though, right? NQ could still sell. ES could still sell. There's your 63.25's completed business. Perfectly transacted. Isn't it weird using like normal terms? Well, they transacted business on their business statement. Cash flow quarterly pre-forma Puma. Yeah, sounds right. Let's get one of those. I keep forgetting to put a t-shirt on over my white shirt, my white t-shirt. It's so early in the morning. I just put a sweatshirt on and just cruise down to the office, brother. Cruising, brother. All right, be careful here, please. On both, if you're in Q or ES, be careful, please. Don't think one of them is going to follow the other because we don't know which one it is. We do not know which one it is. Vanities. 3 minutes till the first 15-minute open. Man, I hear that. I'd rather listen to Metallica. Boom! I said be careful. I said be careful. I couldn't think about shorting it, though. Yeah. Come on. All right, look at your delta, the old hookerton. Ooh, this is spicy. 54 got smoked like a pack of cigarettes. Robert, Robert, that's not your money. Do you understand what I'm telling you? That is not your money, brother. Show me in your handwriting where it says you're supposed to trade this, and you can leer at it all day long. Until then, what do we do? We're patiently waiting for the next setup in our process, right, guys? Notice I've shifted to just trading the candles that make money instead of like right here. You can't short because they could still make the leg sweep to 57 from right here. Bet. I'm not taking a trade. I'm just drawing stuff out. Planting the seeds of turn to. I give, you take, this life that I forsake, been cheated of my youth. NQ 5-minute, 200 simples in the wrong spot. Where's my write-up? The 200 is on the wrong side. Wait. On the 2-minute, it's not. Whoa, he's buying the ones. He's buying the ones. He's buying the ones. He's got all you can eat. He's selling the ones. He's selling the ones. They're absorpting. Oh, hello.
Order submitted.
Right back, looking clear. My work is done soon here. So you're getting back to me. Let the beatings begin. This life that arms my game. Okay, no fill. Did anyone get filled? What a move. 975, 975. 45.50 is your target. It hits. Look at that. I didn't get filled. I had the order in. No fill for daddy. No fill for daddy. What gave me the clue, Martin, look at this. Wow. No fill. 3 by 15 traded. So if I was one fraction of a second sooner, I would have gotten filled. Maybe. Mabes. Now, I have found a workaround. I have found a small workaround in a copier trader for Tradeovate to have a bracket. When this move is over, I'll show you. But there's a little bit of complexity to it. All right, 2R is 125, 41.25. Stops down if you're short. I should have just pulled the damn trigger. Son of a biscuit eating business owner. Oh, this GBI is working very well. Invade their nightmares. Wow. Good Lord.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Oh, I got lucky. Oh. Oof. Oh, wait, no, it's because I'm good. Martin, do you see the 5 minute? Do you see how it's completely backwards? All right, let me show you what I mean. Okay, the 2 minute is the right way. 5 minute is the wrong way. So we want price VWAP 200. Okay, on the 5 minute, we don't have that. We have price 200, same VWAP. Okay, so it's contradictory to the 2 minute. But is the 2 minute, is this the first? Oh, nope. Nope. Right? 5 minutes stronger. 15 minutes stronger. The 15-minute 200 is 06882. See why I'm not short down there, guys? Adrenaline starts to flow. There's thrashing all around. Acting like a maniac. Whiplash. Here we go. Wow, the bars are getting so big I can't see the damn numbers. I'm gonna get a screen just for the damn footprint. Whiplash. So let's go. It's time to hit the road. We'll never quit because we're Metallica. It's Thursday, everybody. Happy Thursday. Hope everybody has had a great week. I have a lot of learning on whatever day that was, Monday or Tuesday. It was not fun. I learned how to deal with losing a lot of funding and making it back, right? Bow. Yes, on its side. Because then I can read it up and down. That's what I was thinking. This is a beautiful, beautiful song. Nothing Else Matters by Metallica. Does anyone hate that song? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe somebody's mother, maybe somebody's grandmother, but I couldn't imagine. Okay, crude oil's down 1.4%. That doesn't tell us much. Gold's flat. Russell's up. Now, remember what I said. What did it need to do? Come down to this area before it goes higher. And nothing else matters. If you don't believe me, rewind the video. Feel free. Life is ours. We live it our way. All right. Okay, I'm watching 6899. Uh, 58 hit. So, see these hash marks right here? Guys, I'm about to teach you some Skrillex. Ready? See these hash marks? Okay, first of all, let's get the settings. No, I didn't want it to move. Okay. Display mode Delta. Okay, screenshot that. Okay, now that we've got that, it's the delta, the highest, the percentages. See? We're looking for a sell. Look at that. Swept the leg perfectly. There's your profit on the leg sweep. Look at that. You broke through yesterday's high. You broke through the VWAP. You're allowed to just... Ba-ba-ba-ba-doom.
Order submitted.
Rest I seek and I find in you. If you have a 5-minute...
Order filled. Order submitted.
Sell. I meant to finish that statement. Yeah, because when you get a really wide candle, right, there's not much you can do. Full speed or nothing. Full speed or nothing. Now, the perfect short to stay short is if we can get the Wappleton below the 200 on the Cinco. Okay. See here? Full speed or nothing. Full speed or nothing. You have a 5-minute sell in the NQ. Number 3 actually. Bam 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 bam. All right, so here's the G spot. Okay, 30 seconds possible paint. Man, they got a Korean food place. Man, they cook with some garlic and some onions. Good Lord. I mean, it smells good, but like, hey. Full speed or nothing. Full speed or nothing. I am not in this short yet. It's not just breaking down quickly. I am in the 5-minute. Stops are huge. 16 points. Look at the delta rolling, delta rolling, delta rolling, delta rolling, delta rolling. Let's go, Robert. Robert gets to stay frosty. All right, the surefire way to get funded and get a Lamborghini is to test fund Lambo. That is, okay, you got 475 at 26, 468 at 26. Another way to get funded is to smash the like button. If you hit the like button, funding just comes right to your aura. Aura.
Order canceled.
All right, I'm going to move my stop down on that one, just in the fact that it's hitting the G spot there. Giggity, giggity, goo. It's hitting the G spot there, and
Order filled.
Yeah, I think they could bounce it here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Well, if it goes above 31. Nope. Here comes 26.
Order filled.
Oh, that was weird. Why did it do that? Oh, that was terrible. 30.25. Oh. Okay, watch 26. Wow, that was a bad fill. That was terrible.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
$26.
Target
Bang!
filled.
Give me my money back, bitch. I had to take a trade while my favorite song's on. Come on, let's go. So far, I've got the bottom. It's fake, man. No, actually, 93 by 44 says we all got filled at 26. Thank you for playing. Nice, great question. Next question, please. Bottom eye holding cell. Landmines have taken my sight. taking my speech, taking my hearing, taking my arms, taking my legs, taking my soul. Left with life in hell. You've got another cell on the 5-minute in queue. You've got another cell on the 5-minute in queue. Boom. Do we got another cell here? No, we do not. Careful, guys. It's flatlining. Decision point 26. And my hands are cold. Opening prices, I would say. So 54s. The aliens are beaming stuff from space into my brain, man. It's coming through from my right ear. I hear Granny talking to me, but she's been dead for years. Granny, it's you. Wait, you've been dead for years. Who is this? It's me, Richard. My name's not Richard. Revan? Granny, you didn't call me that. Yes, I did. Things you say when you're nicely green. For 200, Alex. Okay, watch 28 and 31s. 28s, 31s. 28s, 31s. And then there's a flat tire above us, guys. 38, 38, 38, 38, 38. Watch your 38s. If it pops, watch 38s. I think they could go either way with this thing right here, and I think that they could snuff a seller. Fuck, I missed it. You know that if you relax your eyes, you can see the sailboat, right? You guys know that, right?
Stop filled.
Nina disagrees, by the way. $31 over under hard. 31.28.9. Major decision right here. Volume coming in. That's a pinprick, huh? They just smoked that guy at 8.25, 110 by 0. And they instantly had inventory for him.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Stops up. Give it to me. 35. Wait, what's the flat tire? 38? Come on, don't hit my stop first. Go. 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 It'll hit the profit target for the account if before it hits 37. But we're gonna go for it anyway. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's how you read tape. That's how you read tape right there. Oh, don't do it. No, 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 no. Go up, 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 up. One more time. One more time. One more time. There's one above us. No, no, go to the one above us. Not that one that was there right there at 30. Not 33.25. One more time. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Round trip. Okay, this market's weak. Round trip. Oh my God. That was insane. That was insane. I needed it to go a little bit higher, but what it did is it filled in that 33.25. Damn, I should have moved I shouldn't have moved my stop. The reason I moved my stop up so quick, folks, is I'm not giving that back counter trend. There's no way. Da, 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 da. Unfortunately, oh man, look at that. Moved my stop too quick. Yeah, I moved my stop too quick. Good Lord. Yeah, I'm reading. So Island, I'm just reading the tape, buddy. That's it. There's nothing. You know what I mean? You know. There's nothing. Okay, 5-minute NQ says long. Screaming.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
I don't know if I have my stop in the right place. I think they're going to snap this back up one more time, and then I'm going to go short. And I'll go short if it just snaps. I don't think I have my stop in the right spot.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
$30, $50 over under, 31 over under. Still. Did they buy it? Did they buy it? Did they find that frickin' buyer? Did they find that frickin' buyer?
Order canceled.
Did they find the buyer? I didn't go over 5 contracts, did I? I don't think so. I hope not. I wasn't supposed to. I don't think so. I am dying to live. I'm cry out. I'm trapped under ice. I have 2 left of 5. Or 6. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, okay. I didn't go above 5. Good. Because you really can't in a PA until you get double the amount of whatever it's called, build up, whatever, safety net, where the fuck they call it. Some bullshit. Come on, one more.
Order canceled.
Bro. One more. One left. Ooh, I meant to get 33.75. Shit. If we can get above, here's the deal. If we get above 37, there's some stops. Okay, straight into the 38 where I wanted it to go, right? But let's see if we can get past the 38. If not, we'll pull the stop up. Okay, stops up. Here we go. Here we go. Does it go straight through 38 or does it stop at it? Okay, here you go. 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 I'm gonna hit profit. I'm gonna hit profit target for the account before I hit profit target for the. Go, go, absorb it. Go, absorb it. Let my heart go. Let your sun grow. Eat that 38.25. Eat that 38.25 for lunch. Go. Baby, let your heart beat. Bam. Go. Okay, he's eating it again. He's eating it again. Let him pull it back and then snap back. Wazalewski's here. Come on. Big. Watch this. It's going to go one direction very quickly. Watch, 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 watch. Hopefully it's not into my stop. Let this heart go.
Order filled.
There's no fucking way I just got low printed. No.
Order filled.
Yeah, give me my money.
Order filled.
That's for stealing my money. Don't do that again. I am the low tick. Look at that. Suck it. You bastards.
Order filled. Order filled.
Mama, let my heart grow. There's the, okay, there's your Wappleton. There's your Wappleton. Let's go, HFC. Let's roll. Those fuckers. All right, so I got low tick entry. I got a low tick exit. And that was me hitting market. That was me. My stop was 34.75 or 34.50. Would you believe that if I told you? Yes, you would, because you could see it on the chart. I was going to short 42. Would I have gotten filled? No, only 3 contracts traded. But remember, the candle creates the bullshit, right? All right, so now let's see if they pull it back, right? Let's go back. Let's go back and take a look at the 15. Look at the 15. Okay, what did we say? Okay, it's either going to come up, come back in here, okay, sweep, okay, or run. Come up here, sweep, run, sweep, run, right? Follow the volume nodes. Let's roll. We're chilling. Oh, yeah, look at this Dropperton. God, we're good, folks. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? You know, we know who Mama is. The market. You know how we know that the market is Mama? Because she's always right. The bullshit creates the candles. Oh, it's walking away green. Stay frosty, Oat. Yeah, this is a nasty candle. So let it be written. So let it be done. Okay, you got to fill her at 35. You got to fill her at 35. But remember, the enigma in the machine, known as Michael Huddleston, created that hole. I bet he did create a hole, a very small one, with his pinky finger. And there's Michael Huddleston's hole, filled. Don't edit that. Don't edit that. I want him to play that in a clip and then show me how cool his Ferrari is. And then his Corvette. Wait, did I say Ferrari? And then I'll race him in my 2016 Nissan so he can feel cool. I'll race him to the goddamn grocery store. Elijah, you can use the computer, buddy. Go ahead. Oh, watch the NQ. Watch the NQ. The moving averages aren't right. Does that make sense? Here's the deal. If we get back above the VWAP, what are the algorithms going to do? Answer that question. Let's go. Folks, I'm going to step away and let that happen. Give me 3 minutes. It's a quick walk because it's about 15 degrees outside. Joey, yes, you can. Oh, hello.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Where do I take this pain away? No, Phil. Don't you dare. Very quickly. Yes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
The old Trapper McCree trick. Look at that. Nice try. I mean, nice try, but no. Nice try, dickhead. Till it sleeps. Watch them 43s. Yeah, I don't want it. So to you open, but we go. Stops up. Come on. One tick, Rick. I'm going 43. 43 on 2. $40 on 2, $40 on 2, $40 on 2. Okay, they're chewing them. They're chewing them. We don't want it any lower than right here. We don't want it any lower than right here. Okay, we don't want it below 40. We don't want it below 40, 50. Okay. We'll just take what it gives us if it doesn't print 43 again for us. But here's the deal. It's gonna chew it. There it goes. Chew it. Chew it. Look at it. I can chew it. Let's go. That's exactly what I was trying to say. All right. So now.
Order submitted.
Ooh, I already hit target on that one. Shit.
Order submitted.
It says contact trade desk. You made too much fucking money, dude.
Order submitted.
Pull me cow. It said contact trade desk. No. Nope. All right. 49s. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this.
Canceled.
Boom. Give me a pullback. Give me a smalley. This, if you're long, it tells you to stay long. Okay. I just smacked it up, flipped it, rubbed it down. Oh no. Okay. We just traded that. Deutschnet. Right. Stay long. You got it. See. Okay. Martin. Guys, watch this. I want to show you something here. We actually have a really strong long signal. Okay, let me find it. Let me figure out how to get back in. 49 next target. 49 next target. Martin, are you ready? Martin? David A. So it's backwards. Do you see it? Right now, it doesn't matter what chart this is. 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, whatever. It doesn't matter. Look at this. Price, VWAP, 200. Stay long. Close. All right. Stay short. Okay, and then short, and then short. But it's correct on the 5 minute. You see that? 5 minute? Okay, can I trade 8 anymore? No, number 8 is out of service. Too much money made. On to number 5. I'm trading all of my PAs individually. Souls are getting crushed. Right now, I'm plus just over 1,100. Am I reading that right? Yeah. This expected profit daily is about 2,000 right now, if anyone's wondering. Not today. I'll go with them. Let's go. Yeah, you got 250 at 50. You got 250 at 50, folks. 250 at 50. Pull it back for us to get up in this BI. Elijah, I have a good idea. By the way, people ask me, how do I get the paint indicator? Okay, you have to earn it. If you wanna earn it, okay, contact at sageft.com. You have to earn it from me. You have to pass a series of, what is it called? Quests. All right, your delta is skyrocketing. They bought the shit out of this thing. Let's see what it does. 28 seconds. Give us some paint. $49 if you're long 44s. Let my heart go. Let your sun roll. Ouch. I cannot change anything, Elijah, on the Ninja. Here, I'll show you. It's very limited. Check this out. So we can do this. It looks like shit. So if you want to just, if you know what I mean, because we have the colors perfect. I mean, look, boom, look at that right there with that. Oh, sweet baby Jesus, looking clean. Okay, next move is the move, not this one. Yeah, I will not mess with it. That is for my guy. This new update of Windows on no, I'm just kidding. The new iPhone update sucks. Oh, no. Sorry about that. Elijah, we can probably just put something there. Like a really cool banner, if you know what I mean. because I'm going to leave, I think I'm going to leave that 15-minute chart that size, maybe a little taller. That's right. That's why I did that. Time remaining. So I can always read the time remaining. Okay. All right. So they're doing exactly what we said. So we need to anticipate a move upwards, right?
Order submitted. Order filled.
$52.75. Five-minute chart. Perfect inversion. You guys see it? I don't know if it's this move or the next one. That's why I got to stop in. Got to get through NQ, yesterday's high. Now we're through ES high, yesterday's high. Here comes NQ, yesterday high, 53s. They might run right through it, actually. They both, but what they have to do is they have to use all the contracts, right? The YM, the ES, the NQ, right? They have to use all of them to get one of them through. Okay, here it comes. Bohica. Oh, Bohica. Oh, shorties. Shorties, Bohica. My next dog, I'm gonna name him Bohica. It's gonna be a boy. I'm gonna name him Bohica. Does anyone object? I had a really cool looking thing going here. Let me see. Electrifying. Just go right through 50. Watch. These 250 at 50 are going to get smoked like a pack of cigarettes. Goodbye, boys. Goodbye, boys. Goodbye, boys. Bye, boys. Stops up. Free trade. Thank you. Remember when you used to lose money putting your sell to open order at 50 because you thought that they were just going to sell the big round number? Remember that?
Stop filled.
They remember. I am flat. Unfortunately, they got me.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, they got me at the bottom again? You fuckers. Give me my money. Bastards. They took about $2 from me, $1.50 from me. You sons of bitches. You sons of bitches, right at the low. I'm one of those 62 by 61. There I am. Ha! That's me in the corner. Oh, man, stops up. 48s, stops up. $52.75. Real touchy right here. Mm. If we make it through it, it goes 56 half.
Order submitted.
I just don't know where to put the stop. I want to buy my 48.50 back. And that'll go 52.75. I see the high to high. I see it, but I think they touched that 275 still, and that's why I have a stop in. I'm willing to find out. Okay, and if they get through the 275s, okay, the prior external liquidity, right? So that would be that. Okay, your breaker block, right? Draw your breaker block. Okay, right on top of that there.
Order filled.
Ooh, I might take a loss on this one. Yep,
Stop filled.
that's in a different account.
Order filled.
On and on and on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, one left. 2 points on the ad. What I've known. I have one contract in one account. So very small size, short. Because if you look at it, you actually do have a 2-minute Sellerton. The tape is trying to fight that. Let's see who's right. The chart, the candlesticks, or the tape? The tape is leaning, but they're pulling the offer a little bit there on the uptick there, on the downtick, excuse me. If I can get it to drop again, my stop will go to 44.50. If not, my stop is break even plus 1. It's got to push straight through the VWAP, though. Otherwise, it's going to hit my stop, which is break even plus 1. They're trying to buy 45s. They're trying to have the illusion as if they're buying 45s. There they go. Sell it. I'm trying to move my stop to 44.50 if I can get it. Build the higher wall. Yesterday. They're probing now. Yeah, they're going to hit my stop before they move it lower. You bastards. Come on, go. Pop it. Smack it. Go straight through the VWAP. There we go. There we go. Get the VPOC down there. There we go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go now. It's going to hit my stop now. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get it. You dirty bastards. They bought the 44s, so it's got to push through 44 now. 46 stop.
Stop.
Out. They piled in at 44. Ah, I was too conservative.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, perfect. 39.25 target. 39.25 target if we can get it. Bulletproof. Yeah, bulletproof. 44 stop again. I can always enter. I can always re-enter. Yeah, there. I can always re-enter. Sold your soul. Build a higher wall. Yesterday.
Order filled.
Now you're going away. Said rise and fall.
Order submitted.
See through. They got him. They got him. They got us close to the VWAP as they're going to get. Right now they're going to turn. Now they're going to turn the 8 green again.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
See the 45s? See how they're playing 45? They want you to offer out so they can smack your little booty and wink at you. Independence limited. Freedom, a choice is made for you, my friend. Freedom. All right, there's the seller. Do they absorb him? 46 court. Remember, they need liquidity. Five seconds. Stops up. I don't want to give it back. I can always re-enter. Decision. Pops hard or not? Right here. There's the buyer. There he is. Hey, sweetheart, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? He's going to wink. Right? We're going to transact. We're going to go, thank you. One tick, Rick. Here it comes.
Target
Thank
filled.
you. Thank you. Thank you. I was early. Hello. One left. Doesn't matter what you see or to do what you read. You could do it your own way if it's not just how I say. All right. We got the top. Okay, there's too many buyers right here. Watch out. They're going to sell. Watch out. They're going to sell. There was the sell. There was the sell. It's got to push through here now. It's got to push through 52 right now. There's the seller. You guys see how I'm seeing this, right? You don't. Shit. $45.50 is my stop. Okay, 15-minute back in opening range. Do they take it right back out of it? And the road becomes my bride. That number is very specific, by the way. If I can get it, I'm going to get it.
Order filled.
All right, that's profit target for the third account today. We're up over 2,000. We're up at 2,000. You got a nice bid at 60. Slow up on the buying. Slow up on the buying. Now, 59.50 is the target. The reason I'm out is because I have automatic exit to not ruin the consistency rule. You got an NQ long at 71.50. You've got an ES long. I'll take in the
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'll take it in the eval. I waited too long.
Order submitted.
Stops 48.75. Guys, they own it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
93s in the NQ. 58s in the ES.
Order filled.
Nice. Keep me inside. Oh, I got 09 to work on. What happened? I thought I was done. Shit. All right, let's go. All right, perfect. I'm gonna work on 09 over in the X stream. I'll see everybody over there.